Did what? Is this a joke, guys? The Supreme...
No, they're not bullshitting. Our government is very dedicated to violating our constitutional rights. The Supreme Court just dealt a massive blow to the right to protest. The High Court declined to hear a case challenging laws in Texas, Mississippi, and Louisiana. The Supreme Court's inaction has effectively abolished the right to mass protest across 3 states, allowing a lower court's ruling to seemingly infringe upon the Constitution's First Amendment right. The nation's highest court decided Monday not to hear McKennison v. Doe, leaving in place a decision by the Fifth Circuit Court of Appeals that punishes protest organizers with extreme financial consequences if one participant commits an illegal act. The decision, which now stands as law in Texas, Mississippi, and Louisiana, makes it dangerous and practically impossible to organize mass protests. The case questioned whether D. Ray McKennison, the leader of the 2016 Black Lives Matter protest in Baton Rouge, Louisiana, could be held liable for negligence after an unidentified member of the march threw a rock at a police officer's face, seriously injuring him. Now, Justice Sonia Sotomayor, I don't know how the fuck to say that, but anyways, she's trying to cop pleas and say that this doesn't necessarily mean that they agree with the constitutionality of the decision, but either way, it doesn't matter because their inaction helped to violate constitutional rights in 3 states, so miss me with that shit. And it's also worth noting that the only major publications that are talking about this are Vox and Yahoo News, Huffington Post, and the New Republic. None of the big ones like CNN and MSN or whoever the fuck, no one's talking about this. They're definitely trying to keep this quiet.